Okay, so Assalamu alaikum to everyone. So this is my PSM1 presentation and the title is Enhanced IoT based Smart Energy Monitoring System for Tracking Electric Bills. And my name is Tameem Zaman. So this presentation is prepared by me. So the agenda of this presentation will be something like this. First, what is smart energy monitoring system? Then what is the problem background? Then we will talk about how the proposed system will solve the problem, what will be included in this project, how the proposed system will be implemented, and what is my expectation from this project. And then we will have a Q&A session. So first, what is a smart energy monitoring system? So it is basically an effective system that allows user to keep track and optimize energy consumption to save cost. Using this system, we can actually see the data on a mobile app or a website, something like that. That's why it's called smart. So what's the difference between a normal and smart energy meter? Is a normal smart energy meter isn't going to show the data on mobile platform or let's say website. It will just show the device, show the information on LED. And in smart energy meter, you can access, people can access the data from anywhere in the world. So this is the difference between these two. And next is, what is the problem background? First, there is an environment category where you can say that electricity produced from power plants. So, and what is power plant? Power plant uh, burns fossil fuel and it emits mercury, neurotoxin as well as carbon dioxide, which is the most significant greenhouse gases. So as we can see, power plant produces many dangerous products that harms our environment in a bad way. So, and the next second problem is the electric bill. So at the end of the month, people don't even realize how their electric bills become so high because they are not going to able to track the bills at a daily basis. They are getting the bills on a monthly basis. So at the end of the month, there's nothing but to pay the bills. So these are the problems that people face, like the electric bills and also the environment faces. So we also do the some surveys, like we also did some surveys and we get 26 responses. Some of the surveys I already showed here, like, do you know how much power these devices use? I mean, do the users usually know it? And most of them say no, they don't know about it. And another question is, do you avoid that damaged devices uses more power than usual, which is true, because sometimes we get a higher value of electric bills that we don't even realize. Because some of the devices may damage after like 4 6 months of uses, but we don't avoid of it. And this device is using much more power than usual. Like if a blender, suppose a blender uses like 100 kilowatt to run it properly, and if it damage, it will take like 120 something. So in this case, it's using more power, but people don't know about it. But at the end, the bill goes higher. So these are the problems that we face in our daily life. So how my proposed system will solve this problem? Like first, this system, using the system, user can see their electric bills on a daily basis. Like like I'm using a light bulb now, and it will show me that I'm using it for 2 to 3 minutes, and it cost me around like 2 or 3 ringgit. So in this way, I can track my bills, and if it goes higher, I can reduce the uses of the device so that I can save some money at the end of the month. Second is, user can get notification if any device is using more power. It means Let's say I already talk about the damaged devices is using more power than usual and we don't know about it, but my system can tell when a device is using more power by sending SMS, or it will add a notification on the website. So user can will get a notification that the user need to change the device immediately. And third one is user can see how much power a device use in real time. Like if I using right now, it will show me a real-time database by increasing the amount of power in real time. So next is what will be included in this project. So here it will be included like a Raspberry Pi. It will work as a server, and this is a voltage sensor, and one node MCU module, which is a Wi-Fi module, and a current sensor. And for the real-time database, I will be using Firebase. For the web development, I'll be using PHP programming language, and in Raspberry Pi, as I already said, Raspberry Pi will be used as a server. So to fetch the data from the sensors to the server, I will be using Python, and also the data can be uploaded to Firebase by using Python modules. So next is how the proposed system will be implemented. So as you can see, there are three devices like the bed blender, heater, and bulb. So each of the devices will be connected to its corresponding voltage sensor and current sensor, and this two sensor will upload or transfer the data to its corresponding node MCU ESP8266 module, which is a Wi-Fi module. So then this module will send the data to Raspberry Pi 3B Plus model via wirelessly. So to do this, we are going to use MQTT protocol, which is a machine-to-machine language or data transfer protocol. And then Raspberry Pi will get the data wirelessly using MQTT protocol. Then Raspberry Pi will upload the data to Firebase real-time database. And then I will also at the end create a website using PHP, and using PHP I'll fetch the data from Firebase and show it on the website using a dashboard. So this is how my proposed system will be implemented. So next phase is what is my expectation from this project. I mean my future expectation, what can happen. So first, a good impact on the environment. So by using this device, people can save a lot of energy, which can make a good impact on the environment. The second, user can reduce their bills. Of course, user can currently by using this device, user can track their bills in on a daily basis, so they can aware that how much cost they are making on a daily basis, so they can easily reduce their bills before the month ends. And the last one is user can control their power usage, like if they are using a device very in a very much way, and the device is producing more power, the device then the system will tell the user to reduce the power of the device or replace the device. So this is my expectation from this project. So this is it. Thank you so much for listening my presentation.